Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. President Trump's wavering on tariffs against Canada and Mexico and fears of recessions have been wreaking havoc on the stock market. Having said that, there are a few areas that President Trump is unwavering on. And one of those is commitment to use of coal to help surging demand for electricity, for manufacturing, demand for electric vehicles, and to help juice massive data centers needed to power artificial intelligence. At the January 2025 World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland, President Trump said that nothing can destroy coal, not the weather, nothing. And we have more coal than anybody. Those are the kinds of comments that help energize Alliance Resource Partners stock to record levels. This company is traded on NASDAQ under symbol ARLP. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Alliance Resource Partners LP is one of the largest coal producers in the eastern U.S., operating 7 underground mining complexes and sending to major domestic and international electric power generation markets. Over 78% of 2025 sale tonnage contracted, while roughly 44% of 2026 sales tonnage is already contracted. Now, Alliance Resource is also a diversified natural resources company that owns a growing portfolio of mineral and royalty interests in strategic oil and gas producing regions across the U.S. It markets its oil and gas minerals just for lease to major operators in those regions and generates royalty income from the leasing and development of those mineral interests.
It reported strong 2024 results.
Thanks to continued strength of its coal contracts, Alliance Resources average coal sales price per ton for 2024 of $63.38 came pretty close to the record level achieved in 2023 of $64.17. And now, while not every year can be a record, 2024 results were still pretty solid. Fourth quarter revenue slipped slightly more than 5% on an annual basis to $590.1 million. Net income was $16.3 million, or 12 cents per basic and diluted limited partner unit. For the full year 2024, total revenue was again down slightly more than 4% at $2.45 billion. Net income was $360.9 million, or $2.77 per unit. Now, looking ahead, management said that it had largely completed major infrastructure projects in 2024, and it expects to see improved costs and productivity along with reduced capital spending this year. On top of that, the combination of cold weather and new liquid natural gas export terminals should actually help support strong domestic natural gas prices in 2025, benefiting both its coal and royalty segments.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And as for dividends, the partnership maintained its quarterly distribution at 70 cents per unit.
Much like a real estate investment trust or REIT, limited partnerships or LPs have to pay at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders in the form of a dividend. Now, thanks to Alliance Resources' conservative balance sheet and reliable distributable cash flow generation, it's been able to provide its shareholders with a reliable distribution. Now, since its inception in 1999, the partnership has paid cumulative cash distributions of approximately $4.4 billion. Now, this past January, Alliance Resources Board declared a quarterly cash distribution of 70 cents per unit, or $2.80 per share, for a current yield of 11.11%.
And ARLP units hit a record high on comments from President Trump.
Well, yeah, it seems that way. Strong market penetration and a positive regulatory environment under President Trump may have helped ARLP units hit a new record high. On January 23rd, President Trump addressed, as you noted, the World Economic Forum in Switzerland. Now, that same day, ARLP units hit a new record high of $29.80 per share. ARLP units have given up some short-term ground to well-deserved profit-taking and probably concerns about how tariffs will hurt the broader economy. They are still up 41% on an annual basis, at least of this recording, at $24.91 per share. And by all accounts, ARLP units are expected to hit new highs over the coming quarters, with Wall Street analysts providing a 12-month share price target range of $29 to $32 per share.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Alliance Resource Partners is a thermal coal giant that continues to deliver strong operating and financial results. This includes record results in 2022 and 2023 and strong results in 2024. The outlook for 2025 remains robust and beyond. This comes in part to favorable environment and an increase in forecast electricity demand for particularly from data centers and growth in AI. And that's good news for the 173 institutions that hold 19.28% of all outstanding shares. Some of its largest institutional holders include Magnolia Group, Jackson Hole Capital Partners, and Bank of America. And even larger, 29.32% of all outstanding shares are held by insiders. That kind of big position should encourage insiders to see Alliance Resource Unit do well, which they are. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.